The Redbill Magic Stack is a simple self-diagnostic tool that allows you to find cost-saving opportunities in your AWS account that require no engineering effort to realize. The stack, which is completely open source, uses the AWS Cost and Usage Report to query your billing data and look for cases where you're not taking advantage of AWS financial instruments that can drastically affect your bottom line. Since this is a self-diagnostic tool, no cross-account access is required, and instead, a simple email is sent to Redbill and to you, highlighting the saving potential. As you can see in this example, no account or personal information is leaked in this email. Instead, a simple dollar amount in one of 4 savings categories is shared, highlighting the opportunity. If the number is sufficiently high, we may reach out to you with an offer to help you realize these savings. To install the stack, you need to be logged into your AWS account, preferably at the root organization account, as this will maximize the stack's ability to find savings. Once you're logged in, you can either launch the stack from GitHub or from the Redbill homepage. Clicking on the launch button will direct you to an AWS page where you will enter your email. And click on the 2 checkboxes at the bottom of the page, okaying the creation of the necessary resources in your account. Make sure to read the GitHub page if you're worried, as it provides a detailed explanation of precisely what is being installed in your account. Once you're ready, click on the Create Stack button to kick off the process. That's it. The stack will go to work immediately, and within 1 to 2 days, you will get notified of what we found. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to saving you some serious cash very soon.